We eat fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
And one.
And one.
And two.
And two.
And three.
Three.
Go.
Go.
Let's
Yay.
do this, guys. Wait.
Here, can you come? Eat? Can you eat?
Go.
No. Guys, make your own mango and fruits. So we are gonna eat. Don't fruit it, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna give some Tito Angelo.
Oh, yeah.
Kapit na ito, Mama. Let's go.